Hey friends, welcome to lesson 4 of Ready Up. Today we are in day 1, students and learning guides. You are going to need teachers, page 47, along with student page 47 in your manuals. So we are beginning lesson 4, and this starts our vowel patterns with the oo sound. So we are going to be looking at the first lesson, vowel patterns with oo, and our learning progression for this week. Now let's look at our passage for today. Vowel sounds can be spelled in more than one way. For example, so far you have learned that the long I sound can be spelled with the letters I, IE, and IGH. In this lesson, we will learn that the oo sound can be spelled with the letters OO, EW, UE, and UI. So let's take a look at our passage, a cool thing to do, and listen as I read it aloud on student page 47. A cool thing to do. It's hot in my room. What can I do to feel cool? I can go to the pool. But I grew so tall. My swimsuit is too small. I need a new suit. So I go to the shop. Do I want red or blue? It's hard to choose. Soon I feel thirsty. I have fruit juice. I have ice cream too. It gets too late to go to the pool, so I go to the zoo. I blow up a balloon. I see a blue snake. Now that's cool. Here, I have some words that I want us to circle. The first one that I want you to find is the word room in the first sentence. It's hot in my room. Listen as I say this word. Room. Say it with me. Room. The word room has the oo sound spelled with the letters OO. Let's look for another one. In the fourth sentence, I have the word grew. Find that one and circle that with me. This word is spelled Grew. Now listen to as I say it. Grew. Say it with me this time. Grew. Now the oo sound is spelled with an EW. Go ahead and circle the word suit. Suit. This word is spelled S-U-I-T. This time, the oo sound is made up of the letters U-I. Suit. Say it with me. Suit. One more. I would like you to circle the word blue. Do I want red or blue? Notice this time the oo sound is spelled with a U-E. Can you say the word with me? Blue. Do I want red or blue? So far I have the oo sound with the letters O-O, E-W, U-I, and U-E. They all make the oo sound. Now, what I would like you to do is I would like you to pause this video, and with your learning guides, I would like you to go through the second paragraph, starting with soon, and I would like you to see if you can identify or find any words that make the oo sound with any of the spellings that we've done up here. So pause this video. When you guys are ready to check your work, come on back, and I'll put up some of the answers for you. Good luck! How did you guys do? Let's check and see if you circled some of the same words that I circled. The first one I circled was soon. S-oo. Do you hear the oo sound in that word? I also circled fruit. Fruit. T-oo. Two. I circled two again because it showed up. Z-oo. Zoo. and balloon, balloon. I also circled blue like there was in the first paragraph. You guys have done a great job. If you would like, go back, check your answers, see if there are any of the ones that you might have missed with your learning guides. Go through, maybe say some of the same words again, practice some of the different spellings with those different sounds, and then I would like you guys to come on back tomorrow and we will do some independent practice with the oo sound. Great job today, friends.